The new all-electric luxury Maserati GranTurismo Folgore packs a huge 750 bhp punch and 279 miles of range. Launching alongside the petrol-powered GranTurismo V6, luxury Italian maker Maserati is also advancing into the electric age with its all-electric GranTurismo Folgore. Translated from Italian, Folgore means lightning, with this all-new EV's performance living up to the name according to Maserati's claims thanks to an all-wheel drive 3-motor powertrain with torque vectoring that offers 1,183 bhp of installed power. However, that's not quite the truth, as the motors actually supply 750 bhp to the wheels, a still considerable output, alongside 1,350 Nm of torque. But given this claim from Maserati, expect more hardcore, more powerful versions of the GranTurismo Folgore in the future. Combined with the new GranTurismo platform's lightweight construction, making extensive use of lightweight materials such as aluminium and magnesium, helping keep weight down to a claimed 2,260 kilograms, performance is strong, with a claimed 0 to 62 miles per hour time of just 2.7 seconds and a top speed of 198 miles per hour. The main reason for the increase in weight over the 1,795 kg V6 GranTurismo is the Folgore's 92.5 kWh battery, of which 83 kWh is usable. This provides a claimed range of up to 279 miles, and can accept charging rates up to 270 kilowatts, allowing for 62 miles of range to be added in just 5 minutes thanks to the platform's 800-volt architecture. The car also comes with a battery preconditioner that's activated as the car approaches a rapid charge point to ensure maximum charging efficiency. The Folgore shares its chassis layout with the regular GranTurismo, with a double wishbone suspension layout at the front and a multi-link setup at the rear, both controlled by adaptive air suspension. While the GranTurismo Folgore also uses 6-piston front and 4-piston rear brake calipers from Brembo, it also boasts 4 levels of regenerative braking from its motors to boost range, selectable via paddles on the steering wheel. Range can be optimized in the max range driving mode, which limits the car's top speed to 80 miles per hour, softens the throttle response and pegs back the climate control system to save power. As per the petrol GranTurismo, GT, Sport and Casa modes are available, with the car's suspension, powertrain and stability control settings getting progressively sportier as you step up through the different profiles. Selecting Casa mode unlocks a few more tunable parameters as part of the infotainment system, with drivers able to alter the torque vectoring and traction control setup. There are also max boost and endurance modes. The former primes the car for the best possible acceleration, while the latter focuses on prolonged track performance through close temperature management of the battery, also helped by tech derived from Maserati's Formula E team. Given the lack of a combustion engine, Maserati's engineers have worked hard to create more driver involvement in the Folgore with a special sound signature. The brand says, the natural acoustic dynamics of the electric motors driven by the inverters have been digitally shaped and integrated with the typical sound taken from the Maserati V8 tradition. All this in-depth analysis has made it possible to integrate know-how of the Maserati sound with the noise the vehicle naturally generates, to produce a unique acoustic experience, closely linked to the car yet innovative at the same time. Given the relative lack of cooling required for the GranTurismo Folgore compared with its petrol-powered sibling, the EV's 0.26 CD drag coefficient is slightly slipperier than the V6 model's 0.28 CD rating. Apart from the more aero-efficient grille, the Folgore's body shape is the same, which makes this car the lowest battery electric Grand Tourer, according to Maserati. It's just 1,353 mm tall, which is possible thanks to the packaging of the battery in a T-shape down the car's spine, allowing for a lower seating position and reinforcing the GranTurismo's sporting intent. The Folgore also boasts 2 small rear seats and the same 310-liter boot as the V6 model. The car's interior treatment is subtly different, with different materials and textures to carve this out as an EV and reinforce the theme of sustainability. However, the technology on board is the same. There's a 12.2-inch digital dash and a 12.3-inch central touchscreen, which is joined by a smaller 8.8-inch panel, both of which control the car's main media and climate functions. Maserati says this results in an uncluttered, button-free interior. The GranTurismo Folgore also offers a configurable head-up display and a digital rear-view mirror, plus a new multi-function steering wheel. The brand's voice-activated Maserati Intelligent Assistant is also fitted as part of the Android automotive-based infotainment setup, which features over-the-air update capability. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity also available, plus Alexa integration, while Folgore buyers have access to a charging app loaded with a database of 335,000 charge points across Europe. There's also an EV Routing 2.0 function that will plot a route on the sat-nav with predicted charging stops in mind based on current energy consumption, while a Dynamic Range Mapping 2.0 system will show the maximum range available overlaid on the map, updated in real time according to charge status and the customer's driving style. To reinforce the GranTurismo's long-distance touring capabilities, even as a Folgore EV, the brand has fitted plenty of advanced driver assistance tech, including adaptive cruise with lane centering, autonomous emergency braking for when reversing, a 360-degree surround view camera system and a dynamic road view that shows a 3D reconstruction of surrounding vehicles on the digital dash. Auto Express understands that prices for the GranTurismo will start from around £150,000 for the base spec V6 Modena model, with the Folgore likely to cost considerably more. This could be in the region of £200,000. Folgore deliveries will arrive in the UK from July at the very earliest next year. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notification for more video. Welcome to Shoppers Africa. Today we present to you one of our craftswomen, Halima Abdul Soumay. She was born in Morogoro. She started her business in 2018 by sewing huts, and then she expanded into clothing. She is a craftswoman and also an entrepreneur. She works with the trends of the market. When the bag market started to rise, she moved into it because she does what is trending, so that she can make her daily. Her designs are inspired by cultural references. Actually, she enjoys creating and selling cultural products. She is 32, and she is the mother of 3 children, Amina, Jura, and Zakaya. She has got a team of 3 people who are helping her. Her main is to reach out the target market, which is difficult because she has to make the bags and also looking for clients. From the precious products we see, Halima needs people who will value the products she makes. Our task is to make sure that Halima is seen by the people, and the people should support her by all means, making sure that she gets what she deserves. Visit shoppersafrica.com to buy her products.